Ever wondered how much money companies like ServiceTitan rake in every year? They're the software giants behind the scenes for countless home service businesses. But what exactly are their financials looking like? Let's dive in. ServiceTitan. The name might not ring a bell for everyone, but if you've ever used a plumbing, HVAC, or electrical service, chances are you've indirectly interacted with their software. They're the brains behind the operations of countless home service businesses, providing them with a suite of tools to manage everything from scheduling and dispatch to customer communication and payments. But with all this success, a burning question arises. How much money does ServiceTitan actually generate each year? Unfortunately, as a privately held company, ServiceTitan doesn't publicly disclose its exact revenue figures. This shroud of secrecy is common among privately held companies, as they're not obligated to share financial details with the public. However, we can still piece together a general picture based on several factors. 1. Industry growth and market share. The home services industry itself is booming. With a growing population and an aging housing stock, the demand for services like plumbing, HVAC, and electrical work is consistently on the rise. This robust market provides a fertile ground for companies like ServiceTitan to thrive. While exact market share figures are elusive, ServiceTitan is widely considered a market leader in the home services software space. They boast a large and growing customer base, solidifying their position as a dominant player. 2. Funding rounds and valuation. ServiceTitan has secured significant funding from top-tier investors, including venture capital giants like Sequoia Capital and Dragoner Investment Group. These funding rounds, which have valued the company at billions of dollars, offer valuable insights into the company's perceived potential and projected growth trajectory. While valuation doesn't directly translate to revenue, it reflects investor confidence in the company's ability to generate substantial returns in the future. 3. Industry benchmarks and analyst estimates. While specific figures for ServiceTitan remain confidential, we can draw comparisons with publicly traded companies in the software-as-a-service (SaaS) sector. These publicly traded companies disclose their financial performance, providing valuable benchmarks for understanding typical revenue growth rates and profitability levels within the SaaS industry. Furthermore, industry analysts and research firms often publish reports and estimates on the size and growth of the home services software market. These reports can provide valuable insights into the overall market dynamics and the potential revenue opportunities for companies like ServiceTitan. 4. Customer base and pricing models. ServiceTitan offers a diverse range of software solutions to its customers, catering to businesses of all sizes and service types. Their pricing models typically include a subscription fee based on the number of users and the features utilized. By analyzing the number of customers, the average contract value, and the typical subscription duration, we can gain a rough understanding of ServiceTitan's potential revenue stream. 5. Competitive landscape and industry trends. The home services software market is becoming increasingly competitive, with new players and innovative technologies constantly emerging. Companies like Jobber, Housecall Pro, and Workeyes are vying for market share, offering their own suite of tools and services to home service businesses. Analyzing the competitive landscape helps understand the market dynamics and the factors driving revenue growth and profitability for companies like ServiceTitan. Putting the pieces together. Based on these factors, it's safe to assume that ServiceTitan generates substantial annual revenue. While pinpointing an exact figure is challenging, industry analysts and investors likely value the company at billions of dollars, suggesting an annual revenue stream in the hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars. Growth projections and future outlook. Looking ahead, ServiceTitan is well-positioned for continued growth. The company is constantly innovating, expanding its product offerings, and exploring new market opportunities. Key growth drivers include expanding into new markets. ServiceTitan can expand its reach beyond traditional home services, targeting new verticals such as field service management for other industries. Developing AI-powered solutions. Integrating artificial intelligence and machine learning into its platform can enhance efficiency, improve customer service, and unlock new revenue streams. Strategic acquisitions. Acquiring smaller companies with complementary technologies can accelerate growth and enhance market position. It's important to note that these are estimates and assumptions based on available information. The actual revenue figures for ServiceTitan may differ significantly. While ServiceTitan doesn't publicly disclose its exact revenue, the company's market leadership, strong investor backing, and the booming home services industry all point towards a highly successful and profitable business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.